What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Recipejoes, and today we're in Pier 88 in Huntsville, Alabama, trying out some new stuff. I got a sort of like a sampler platter, so we're gonna try out a bunch of different things and show you what it's all about. Might even get dessert, I don't know. Today's Friday, we're gonna let it all hang out. So we will show you what all is gonna be going on in here coming up. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try out fish. Here's the fish. I'm lighting my hand up right now because it's hot. This is catfish. We're gonna try it straight up. Really good. The batter is really light. Y'all can sort of see. The batter is really light, really airy. Doesn't taste heavy, and it definitely didn't sit in like old oil and stuff like that. Sometimes when you get fish, you get gypped like that. This is really good. I ate a shrimp off camera, but it's really good. And they give you sauces to dip it in as well. So we'll try out the sauces a little bit later, but most of the time I try to try things out unfiltered, give you all my honest opinion. This is really good. Here's the chicken. Big piece of chicken. I will bite off of it too while I'm at it. Here we go. Chicken tastes like it was soaked in something or marinated in something. It doesn't taste like just breaking chicken out the box and frying it. So, all in all, really good. Got Cajun fries. They're really good. So, Pier 88, Huntsville, Alabama, and this is going really well. I'm about to dig into this. I'll catch up with y'all later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hit that subscribe button. Press it, press it.